Ku ake tēnei, ko te kaupapa tuatahi ko Tamararo, kāti. Me hara mai ngā rōpu katoa ki te whakanui i a Tamararo. Atu I tērā ko ngā ture o te matatini. So if we get 4 away, 5 away, 6 away, that's a plus, ko te mea ke. So what we've had so far today has been a good coverage from Mahaki, the furthest on that edge of the boundary, right up to Matakao, which is the top of Ngāti boundary. So we've had a good coverage. And even though the rōpu tautoko, o rōpu whakangahau me ki, ko te mea nui I rongo mātou I ngā tipuna, ingoa tipuna, ngā ingoa kārangaranga o Nehera, and so that's been a great thing. And talking with them when they come off the stage round the back, they're fired up for next year. So Tamararo wins. So we've taken the last 2 weeks to get parts and bits and pieces set up. We're lucky that we had Mahaki Mahinga Kai, their taiao crew. They've come in and done a couple of days, and then we had Whaia Titirangi, which is our crew up at Pohorawiri, our taiao crew, and they covered off the rest of it and did what you see. And so we're lucky that we do have that, you know, that hononga. Kia kumea rātou ki te awhi I tēnei kaupapa. Awesome with all the stores and the varied types of stores too. So we've got earrings, we've got kākahu, we've got some real flash kākahu. So every Māori in Gisborne is going to be wearing the same dress, the same shirt, the same earrings. And yeah, so it's really lovely. The other thing is that it gives us an opportunity to sport our own ones too. So some of them, a couple out there have been coming to Tamararo for quite a while now, and so we've been able to give them some support. Having good breaks in between our kapa also is a time for our people sitting watching to go and support our stalls. Yeah, it's been awesome.